my channel. So today in this video, girl, you already know we got a wig, girl. This is the wig here. It's from the company called West Kiss, girl. So let's go ahead and get right into it, girl. Let's see what we got in here. So she is 16 inches. She is 180% in density, and she has HD skin melt lace. Okay, set her to the side. Let's see what kind of goodies we got. So this is what it looks like inside of the box, girl. This is what it comes equipped with. We got a bonnet. We got a navy blue bonnet. Okay, this is a first. My bonnet collection is growing, and I think we did need a navy blue bonnet. We needed that. We have a compact branded mirror. Okay. West Kiss. Push through. Okay, we like this. That is going in my purse because we're going out tonight. Baby hair comb brush combo. Elastic lace layer. Baby hair layer, girl. We got that. And we have a 2-pack of HD wig caps. And we have our satin branded storage bag. And y'all know I prefer these to store my wigs in. West Kiss, okay? I love the box too, though. I love presentation. I love when everything comes with thrills and feels. I absolutely love that. But let's go ahead and get into this unit, girl. Now, she looks to be, let me see. She looks like she has ear-to-ear lace and some lace in the back for updos. Y'all know I'm a, 5x5 type of girl. 4x4 lace girly. But this is not bad, though. She's beautiful. We can most definitely rock with this. Okay, look at that. OMGG. This wig is everything. Pretty standard cap construction, okay? The knots are bleached. That is a huge plus. Huge plus. I'm going to go ahead because I'm anxious now. I'm ready to see this because she's actually really flat. So usually when they're super flat like this, it's pre-styled, girl. We can just cut the lace, put it on, and we're out the door, and it is ready to go. Just beautiful. Look at that. You can tell that it's pre-styled. Look how that hair is laying on that lace. Look at that. Girl, beautiful. I'm ready to get this on. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace. Even though I'm a professional wig wearer, I'm not a professional lace cutter. I can't cut the lace while my wig is on my head. That just gives me anxiety. I have to do it while the wig is in hand, okay? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm not even going to fake it with y'all. I got to cut the lace just like this in my hand so I can be careful. Because I done seen some of these people online do that. And I'm like, what, child? You done messed the whole wig up. You done cut all into the hairline. And it just looks a fool. Because once you take that wig off, if you done messed the lace up, that's kind of it. It's like a one-time wear wig. Unless you're like a lace wizard. There are a lot of people that can fix those type of blunders. Me, I can't. I just have to be careful. And I'm just cutting it along the lace line. Just like this. I don't like a lot of lace left on my unit. Some people do because, they indulge in the glues and the tapes and stuff. And I really like that look. I just don't like it. I do not like a wig stuck to my head. That gives me all kinds of anxiety. I can't. I love the way it looks, but I just can't take it. All right, so I have my lace. Now cut all of my laces off. I am so ready for this. Let me know down below in the comments if you be cutting that little lace off in the back. Half the time, I ain't even gonna lie to you. I'm gonna keep it all the way real. I do not. I'm looking for another pair of scissors, but let's see if we can get these. There we go. We got them all. So we use a bigger pair, but we don't need them anymore. I'm not even gonna fool with that in the back. I ain't gonna lie. I do be leaving it on. But look at it. Oh, she's so cute. I'm ready to see this on. Let's look at the curls one more again, girl. Look at this. OMGG. So beautiful. And I love this length. This length is like perfect. Perfect for anything. Everyday wear. Perfect for work, girl. All right, girl. It is the HD lace for me. I am absolutely in love. And having the ear-to-ear lace, I'm going to have to cut a little bit more off. Just getting it to where I want to cut. Girl, this is actually nice. I love this. And this is what I do. I just get it to where I want to cut without cutting the hair so much, you know. Tuck that back, and then that's what I'm going to cut off. But girl, the hairline is everything. It does need some makeup or lace tinting spray, but that's a small problem. But I'm a makeup girly, so I'm going to go in with my makeup because we're ready to see how this wig looks on right now. We are just ready. Now, if you are a baby hair girl, you can definitely go in and start doing your baby hairs, figuring out where and how you want those, because that's going to help out too with laying the wig and that lace. You know what I mean? But let me go ahead and get her all the way together, girl, because this wig is beautiful. It's the lace for me, girl. It's that pre-plucked hairline. It's the bleached knots. But let me go do my thing with it. I'm going to take some residual powder and just go along the hairline with it like this. I'll go ahead and show you now what it is I do. But West Kiss push through. This hair is everything. Definitely, definitely beautiful. All right, I'll be right back. Girl, okay, so she is a beautiful. Let me show you the back of this unit. OMGG. It is so full. Girl, I'm in love with it. West Kiss did their thing with this one. Girl, beautiful. And the hair holds a curl like no other. I didn't leave the heat on it very long because I didn't really want a tight curl. I just wanted to give it some layers around the front. Love this unit. Let me know. Let me know what you think. Make sure you leave a comment down below. I just love it. I just love the loose curls. I just love this. I love it. I love it. West Kiss did the thing with this one. This one is beautiful. Girl, definitely check them out. All the information will be down below in that description box, so don't skip over it. Girl, it's beautiful. Look at this. And as you saw, it's ear-to-ear lace. I'm wearing it as a glueless. I don't have this glued down. I have it finessed. So that just goes to show that you can almost wear any wig as a glueless wig. You do not have to stick it down if you don't want. But I absolutely adore this. Girl, she's so cute and playful. What you think? I'm feeling it. Super cute. Super cute. But girl, that is it for me. I hope you enjoyed today's wig review. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, girl. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video. And there'll definitely be another video. Bye. Make sure you check out this unit down below in that description box, girl.